Melissa, finally, if you like sun, we're finally winning with our weather.
We are. We're going to get there. We're actually going to get an extended break between storms. We just have two more to get through, and these two are both pretty minor. Let me show you what it looks like outside. We saw a high temperature of 58 degrees yesterday. It does seem cool, but you know what? It's November, and the average is just 57, so we were above average yesterday. That record cleared up to 73 degrees. That was set back in 1931. The average low temperature this time of year is in the 30s. We should drop down into the upper 30s, but we've only been dropping in the 50s. And today, on a cool day, we've been in the mid 40s. So we'll start to move in that direction. You can see how cold that record is. You may remember that chilly 2002 November day when it dropped down to just 16 degrees. Hopefully we won't get that cold anytime soon. Most of western, even central and eastern Oregon seeing their highs in the mid to upper 50s yesterday. Now this morning, we've already started to see some clouds roll in ahead of the next storm. Things are moving along here pretty quick. We're seeing a little bit of light rain offshore from this cold front, again, that's moving in. Right now in the valley, we actually saw some clear conditions overnight. That allowed those temperatures to drop down, and we did see some fog form. Those temperatures starting to climb now that those clouds are moving in. 52 degrees out at the airport, visibility up to 10 miles. We are seeing some patchy fog out there, so you do want to be prepared for that. So this front is going to move through here this afternoon. You can see the center of the storm is clear up in the Gulf of Alaska, so we don't have to worry about that. We're not going to see any strong winds or any heavy rain, but we are going to see chances for a little bit of light rain as this passes through here tonight. It'll wrap up here by early Saturday morning. We're talking about 3-4 o'clock in the morning. Now, see this little patch of blue sky here? That's what's going to hit right on Saturday, midday. So we'll get some sun breaks, we'll get some dry weather. But then late Saturday night, we do have another storm brewing. This one even weaker than the one that we're seeing right now. So an isolated shower or two Saturday evening is going to be the best we're going to get. And that'll mainly be for the North Valley and the North Coast, just a few sprinkles further south. You can see the timing of all this here on Precision Cast. Again, this front moving through tonight. A few showers starting at 2 p.m. continuing through this evening. By 5 o'clock Saturday morning, pretty much wrapped up, staying dry midday Saturday. And then Saturday night, you can see there's that next storm, most of that to the north of us. Those of you in Corvallis could see a shower again right around 7 o'clock. As we head into Sunday, back to dry weather. We're going to stay dry for a few days. So out along the coast, you can expect high temperatures into the upper 50s today. An isolated shower here again off and on for the second half of the day. Winds much lighter, though, than they've been from the south, 5 to 10 miles per hour. 62 Saturday. We climbed to 64 for both Sunday and Monday. Some nice sun breaks. It'll feel a little bit warmer out there. We won't see that rain return until Wednesday into Thursday. For the Umpqua Basin, your highs will be in the low 60s today. Again, just a few isolated showers here for the second half of the day. You're going to see your temperatures climb almost 70 degrees to kick off the next work week. You too, though, will cool down at the end of the week, dropping to 55 here on Thursday. Also seeing some scattered showers moving in at that time. For the Cascades, cooling down into the upper 40s, but that's still above freezing, of course. So the rain tonight will be just that, plain old rain. No snow until the end of next week. Central Oregon, upper 50s. Sun breaks this afternoon. You could squeak out a shower late tonight as well. Otherwise, dry starting Saturday all the way through Wednesday. Some nice sunshine and those temperatures back in the low 60s. And for the valley, highs are going to be in the mid 50s today, about 56 here in Eugene. So a little bit cooler than yesterday. Could see an isolated shower popping up here and there, starting at about 2 o'clock, continuing through this evening. Winds will be on the light side, southeast 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then here's a look at that next 7-day stretch. Again, we are going to dry out starting Saturday for the most part. Dry for sure by Sunday, staying that way through Tuesday. Also warmer with highs back in the mid 60s.